The channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. Also, we have few of the remote job opportunities. So all those things, details will be shared with you. So first job opportunity is for a QA manual tester. So experience required is 1 year and the location would be Jaipur and it's a 5 days work from office. So you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for manual testers, remote experience is 0 to 3 years. So I'll be sharing this link in the comment section as well as in the description of the video. So you can apply from there. Then there is a requirement for manual test engineer, Noida location. Experience is 2.5 to 3 years. And the skill set preferred is Java, Python for scripting and understanding of automation tools like Selenium, WebDriver. And you can share your resume at this email address. AlphaVis Technologies Limited is looking for talented professionals to join the team. So if you have 1+ years of experience, you can apply here. So there are multiple job opportunities, IT support engineer, QA, then IT sales. The experience required is 1+ years and location is Indore. And you can send your resumes to this email address as well as the contact number is provided. Then there's a hiring going on at this company and the location is Ahmedabad. So you can apply jobs at elixirtechni.com. So you can also visit this website. They have the website in which you can also see what the company does and what is the domain of the company. They are looking basically for business development executive, QA engineer, and software engineer. And you need to use a proper resume name format to apply for this position. Then there's a requirement for QA trainee US shift. So male candidates would be preferred. And the location is Pune, Baner. And the shift is provided. So US shift would be there Monday to Friday and Saturday, Sunday would be off. Stipend is 10,000 per month for 6 months. Probation period would be of 6 months. So you can apply for this particular opportunity. Also, they have kept a walk-in drive for the same. It is on 24th of March, next Monday, and 26th of March, Wednesday. Timings would be 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Then Tanisha Systems Inc. is hiring. Location is Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. Experience is 5 to 11 years. And the required skill set is Tosca, SDET, Playwright. GD for Tosca has been provided. GD for Playwright also has been provided. Then Nexon Software Solutions is seeking an automation QA engineer, and they are looking for someone with an experience of 3+ years. The skill set required is Playwright or Selenium plus Java. So notice period would be immediate to 15 days, and location is Noida, Sector 63. So they have given the email address wherein you can apply. Then there is a requirement for QA testers. Again, the location is Mumbai. They are looking for backend core application. So if you have experience in the health insurance domain, it would be a plus point for you. So the experience required is 2+ years. Notice period would be immediate joiner or someone who is serving the notice period. And the interview mode would be face to face. So this is the email address wherein you need to apply. Then there is a requirement for SDET role at Pune location. Experience required is 2 to 6 years. And the skill set is payment or card testing experience, then mobile testing experience, test automation experience, someone who is comfortable with Java and Android automation using APM or similar. So you can share your CV at this particular email address. So this is with respect to the Preserve company. And then there is a requirement for QA, manual and automation company is Hyperlink Info System. Location is Ahmedabad, work from office opportunity. Years of experience is 2 to 3 years for manual testing and 5 to 6 years for automation plus manual testing. And this is the email address wherein you need to apply. Then there's a requirement for Tosca automation. So experience is 2 to 5 years. Location is Gurugram. And if you're interested, you can share your resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for QA lead and CTC is up to 35 LPA. So someone who is having 8+ years of experience into field of software testing for USA market, experience in text domain specific to US market is a must. And CTC is up to 35 LPA. And you can share your CV at this email address. Then LTI Mindtree is also hiring with an experience from 3 to 5 and 8 to 12 years. And it would be hybrid mode, immediate to 60 days. So you can share your resume to this email address. Right. Then there are multiple career opportunities at Signity Software Solutions Private Limited. So the open positions are with respect to QA engineer, manual and automation, 2 to 4 years, SysOps engineer, system admin plus DevOps. And you can send your resume to this email address, or you can also call them at this number. So location is Mohali and it's a work from office role. Then there is a requirement for senior test engineer functional. So job location is Noida and it's a 5 days work from office and you can apply at this particular email address. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit a like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.